Exercise D, based on determinants. Find the det of following matrices. 2 by 2 matrix is given. I shall name it as A. So let A equal to the matrix. Determinant of A is denoted like this: det A. Det A equal to det, what is A? 2, 1, 1 minus 5. 2 by 2. So AD minus BC. AD 2 into minus 5 minus BC 1 into 1. 2 into minus 5 minus 10 minus 1 into 1 minus 1. Minus 10 minus 1 minus 11. So det A equal to minus 11. One more problem on this 2 by 2 det. That is I 0 0 minus I. How to find its det? You can write det A like this also, or you can write det A. Det A equal to det of, what is A? I0 0 minus I. AD I into minus I minus I square minus BC 0 into 0 0. We know I square value is minus 1. So in the place of I square, minus 1. Minus into minus plus 1. So 1 minus 0 is 1. Therefore det A equal to 1. Now, how to find det of a 3 by 3 matrix? A 3 by 3 matrix is given, asking to find det A. So det A equal to, naming this matrix as A. I shall name this matrix as A. So det A equal to det, the matrix A is written here, 1 into 1 into, remove row and column. You are left by 4 elements, minus 1 4 7 6. For the middle one, you have to change its symbol. This is plus 4, you have to take minus 4 into, remove this row and column in which 4 present, row and column. Again 4 elements are left, 2 4 minus 3 6. So 2 4 minus 3 6. For the third element, same sign you have to take, plus 2 into, remove the element located row column, 2 minus 1 minus 3, 7. 2 minus 1 minus 3, 7. 1 into AD minus 1 into 6 minus 6 minus BC 7 4s are 28 minus 4 into AD 2 into 6 12 minus BC is minus 12 minus into minus plus, so plus 12 plus 2 into 2 7s are 14 minus, multiply these two, you will get 3. So AD 14 minus BC is 3. 1 into minus 34 minus 4 into 24 plus 2 into 14 minus 3, 11. 1 into minus 34 minus 4 into 24, 96 plus 2 into 11, 22. Minus 34 minus 96 minus 130 plus 22. Minus 130 plus 22 minus 108. Therefore, det A, how much? Minus 108. Minus 108. Care should be taken that for the first row you have to take one same sign. For this number you have to take opposite sign. Again for this same sign. And you have to know det of 2 by 2 matrix AD minus BC. We do one more problem. Find the det of this matrix. As I name it as A, what is det A? So det A equal to 1 square 1, 2 square 4, 3 square 9. So I have written the respective squares of these elements. Now determinant of this 3 by 3 matrix, 1 into the same sign 1. Remove row and column in which this element present. Row and column. Left by 4 elements 9, 16, 16, 25. For this number you have to take opposite symbol plus 4. So you have to take minus 4 into, remove the element located in the row and column. So row and column. What are the 4 elements left? 4, 16, 9, 25. The same sign is to be taken for this element. So plus 9 into, remove row and column in which this element present. Row and column. The 4 elements are 4, 9, 9, 16. Now the simplification part. 1 into 9 into 25, 225 minus 16, 16 is 256 minus 4 into 25, 100 minus 16 9s are 144. How we are getting AD minus BC? Again plus 9 into 4 into 16, 64 minus BC, 9 9s are 81. 1 into, by subtraction we get minus 31, minus 4 into 100 minus 144 is minus 44, plus 9 into subtraction minus 17. Simplification, 1 into minus 31 minus 31, minus into minus, plus 4 into 44 176, plus into minus, minus 9 into 17 153. By doing the simplification, we get minus 8. So det A is minus 8. One more problem on this det. Second problem. If a matrix A is given, 3 by 3 matrix, already they found its det. How much the det given? Det A is 45. Find x. Means, for what value of x you get det value 45. Solution. Given A and det A is given 45. So find det A and equate to 45. How to find det? 1 into, remove row and column. 4 elements left are 3, 4 minus 6x. 3, 4 minus 6x. For the middle number, you have to take opposite sign, minus 0. Whatever be the number here, if you multiply with a 0, you get a 0. So I am not writing this one. For the third number, you have to take the same symbol, plus 0, into the det of 2 by 2 matrix in which the element present. Since this is 0, if you multiply the number here, you get again 0. So instead of doing, I am not simplifying these two, because these two are zeros. They said the det value is equal to 45. Equal to 45. 1 into 3 into x, 3x minus BC, minus 24, minus into minus plus 24, equal to 45. Plus 24 by shifting, minus 24, 45 minus 24 is 21. So 3x equal to 21, x equal to 21 by 3, so x equal to 7. Means, if the x value is 7, when you find the det of this matrix, you will get 45 as answer. So to get det value as 45, what should be the x value? X value must be 7. Right. Problem is over.